I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your iPad is ready. Check Settings General about to confirm your iPad OS version, because options differ by release. Once done, back up or note your current home screen layout so you can revert if needed. Now open Settings and tap Home Screen to get straight into the controls that govern app library behavior. You'll use these controls in the next steps to hide or adjust how apps are organized and shown. You'll now change the settings that control whether apps appear in the app library. In Home Screen Preferences, find the app library-related toggles. Depending on your OS, this can be labeled Add to Home Screen or Show in App Library. Turn off automatic app sorting and disable any toggle that moves new apps to the app library, because that effectively prevents new icons from bypassing your home screens. Once you apply these options, go back to finish, tidy your home screens. Long press any icon in the app library and drag it onto a home screen page to repopulate where you want apps to appear. Make sure to restart the iPad if your changes don't show up immediately. Restarting can force the UI to refresh. If problems persist, update iPad OS or reset the home screen layout in Settings General Reset. This clears custom arrangement, but resolves stubborn display issues and restores predictable behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.